Hello everyone, in this video we are going to take overview of AutoCAD, that is automatic computer aided drawing. So in the last video we have seen the little bit overview and introduction to AutoCAD. So in this video I will give you a brief introduction and overview regarding AutoCAD. So AutoCAD is widely used computer-aided design software application developed and sold by Autodesk. It is used by professionals in various industries, including architecture, engineering, construction, that is AEC, and manufacturing and interior design to create detailed the 2D and 3D drawings and models. So, some key features and capabilities of AutoCAD in that drawing and drafting. AutoCAD allows users to create precise 2D drawing and technical documentation with a wide range of drawing and drafting tools. It is commonly used for creating architectural plans uh, and floor layout, electrical schematics, and more. For 3D modeling, in addition to 2D drawing, AutoCAD support 3D modeling, enabling users to create three-dimensional models of object, structure, and products. This is essential for visualizing and simulating complex design. Customization. AutoCAD is highly customizable, allowing users to create and use custom template, symbol, and script to automate receptive tasks and streamline workflow. Collaboration. AutoCAD provides collaboration features that allows multiple users to work on same drawing simultaneously. It also supports cloud-based storage and sharing of design files. Industry-specific toolset. AutoCAD offers industry-specific toolsets for fields such as architecture, mechanical drawing, electrical design, and more. These toolsets include specified features and libraries tailored to the need of specific professions. Parametric design. AutoCAD support parametric design allow users to create intelligent objects with dynamic properties. Change made to one of a design can automatically update related elements, improving design efficiency. Integration. AutoCAD integrates with other Autodesk software such as Autodesk Revit, Autodesk Inventor, facilitating a seamless workflow for architects, engineers, and designers working on a complex project. Compatibility. AutoCAD supports a wide range of file format, making it easy to import and export drawing and collaborate with users who may be using different CAD software. Documentation. AutoCAD includes Power Tool for generating detailed documentation, including dimensions, annotations, and schedules, making it essential for creating construction plans and technical drawings. So this is the overview related to AutoCAD. So in AutoCAD, we can draw using coordinate systems, that is Cartesian, Cartesian system, coordinate system of Cartesian and XYZ axis. So before starting drawing in AutoCAD, first we have to introduce about AutoCAD, how AutoCAD and AutoCAD user interface look, and how to use this screen. So AutoCAD, in AutoCAD software, they provide some required tools for creating drawing. In AutoCAD, I will show you how it is look. This is the general user interface for AutoCAD, and in this first there is some drawing tools, some modify tools, annotation for measuring dimensions and other, and for multi-layer work, layers are available. Then here is blocks. Creating blocks are parts of uh, drafting, and the properties of what you are drawn, the property you want to change, you can see and change the properties here. Then grouping, utilities, clipboard, for copy to clipboard and paste to clipboard, these options are available here. So, and view. Then here is the sums for view. This is the navigation box. You can navigate through here. And other is navigation wheel or steering wheel. We can say it is. I will click. This is the navigation for zoom, pan, orbit. This is navigation with the pan, orbit, and show motion. So then here is the main important part is command line. So command line shows a command which was used by you in recent times while drafting, and here is some layouts for your drafting general user interface. In model you can see these grids. You can on and off these grids, and you can snap. Then ortho, all the tools are we are going to use in AutoCAD. Then here some insert. If you want to insert some other files or other anything to the your workspace, then you can import from insert. Then here annotation for measuring dimensions or text or center line ladders. If you want to add some tables, you can add here using this tool. Then here is some parametric view, manage. Then here output, addings, collaboration. You can use this option to collaborate your work. Express tool, featured apps. Then here at the logo of AutoCAD, you can see different tools to like new, creating new drawing or sheet sets that is already available here, or sheets sheet sets you can create here, and open previous drawings. Now AutoCAD web sheet sets, import the data from dng files. That is, you can import dng files and sample drawings that installed or online samples, and then save as, import, export, publish, print drawing, and close. The current drawing close. All drawing close options are available in close. See, and as you click here, you can see previous plans are available here. That is, shortcuts are available of open. You can open drawing from here. Then this is the general user interface, GUI and workplace. So uh, then I will show you how the display controls are available. That is zoom, pan, retro, regain, clean screen, steering wheel. So the this is a workspace, and this is with view, navigation tool. And if you want to zoom, so just scroll your Just scroll your mouse scroll. If you want to pan, the pan is available here. You can pan here. Want to move your plan, then you can use pan and right click exit. And then you want to zoom, here is zoom is available. As you go forward it will zoom, as you go back it will zoom out. So you can see here this negative positive sign is showing here on magnifying glass. Exit. The steering wheel, this is the steering wheel, so you can pan here like this. Then you can look where you want to look. Then orbit, this is the pivot, it is available on steering wheel. uh, then center, this is, then walk like this. You can walk, you can see your 3D plan using walk. This is up down, that is zoom or zoom out. So that is an rewind, that means you can rewind your previous steps using this close. So I hope you understand what I teach you in this video. So in next video we are going to learn directly on workspace. So thank you.